Hey, Landon.
What?
Are you eating?
No, Bullet.
Bullet. Buddy. Come here.
Bullet. Hey.
Are you feeding the puppy?
Yeah.
Uh-oh. Don't feed him too much. We don't want to make him sick, okay? Hey, Landon. Is Bullet your puppy? Yeah, look at that smile. Are you sure?
Yeah.
I don't know. Is Bullet your puppy? Look, he's down there. He wants another piece. He's waiting for you. Get down and play with him. Bullet, go get Landon. Go get Landon. Landon's busy eating. Are you busy eating, buddy? Is that good? Uh-oh. What are you guys doing? Come over here so I can see you. Come over here. Bring him over here. Come on. There we go. You guys come over here. Uh-oh, what a cute puppy. Oh, is that your puppy?
Yeah.
Can you pick him up?
Yeah.
Get him. Wow. Can you give him a kiss?
Yeah.
Oh, that's so sweet. Do you love your puppy?
Yeah.
Hey, what's your puppy's name? Look at me. What's his name? What's his name?
Bullet.
Bullet?
Yeah.
Awesome. Is that, oh, put him down. Put him down. Don't squish him. Give him a kiss. You like your Bullet?
Yeah.
Is he fun?
Yeah.
Is he playful?
Yeah. Fuck.
Is he on all fours? Bullet's trying to get in the garbage. Tell him no. Tell him no.
No.
No. Pull him down.
No.
Say no.
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 No. No.
Yeah, you're so silly.
No, Bullet.
You going back to eating?
No.
You hungry? Bullet's behind you.
Oh.
There he is. Hi, cutie. Ah! Hey, don't eat my phone cord. No! Trying to eat my phone cord. Bullet, you're so cute, buddy. Where you going? Bullet.
Bullet. Hey. Bullet. Hey.
Oh, now you guys run off into the front room.
Oh.
Did you get him?
Yeah.
Oh, you got him all right, didn't you?
Yeah.
Oh, I don't think Bullet can stand on there, sweetie.
Yeah.
Uh-oh. Watch, he's going to jump down.
Oh.
Boop.
Boat.
Whoa, where'd he go? Back under the table?
Yeah.
Oh, there he goes, out the other side. Go get him, hurry! Run! Ouch.